Join me as I take on the challenge of solving the PAWS Mystery Quest task in under a minute. The PAWS Mystery Quest is one of the most popular games out there, and for good reason. It's got everything: puzzles, adventure, and a whole lot of fun. But, let's be real, there's one task in particular that always seems to stump players. You know, that one task that makes you want to pull your hair out in frustration. One of the biggest challenges players face in PAWS is the lack of clear instructions. I mean, you're given a goal, but no real direction on how to achieve it. It's like being thrown into the deep end without knowing how to swim. You're left wondering what you're supposed to do, where you're supposed to go, and how you're supposed to get there. This uncertainty can lead to hours of frustration, trial and error, and a whole lot of wasted time. And let's not forget the countless YouTube tutorials and online forums filled with players begging for help. It's like, you're not alone in your struggle, but that doesn't make it any less annoying. But here's the thing: it doesn't have to be that way. With a few simple strategies and tips, you can overcome this challenge in no time, and trust me, it's worth it. Once you've conquered this task, the rest of the game is a breeze. So, let's dive into some of the tips and tricks that'll get you back on track. Firstly, make sure you're paying attention to the subtle clues scattered throughout the game. They might seem insignificant at first, but trust me, they're crucial to solving the task. Secondly, take your time and don't rush through the levels. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the game, but slow and steady wins the race. Another thing that's helped me, and plenty of other players, is to take a step back and rethink our approach. Sometimes, we get so tunnel-visioned on one solution that we miss the obvious answer staring us right in the face. And finally, don't be afraid to explore and try new things. The PAWS Mystery Quest is all about experimentation and creativity, so don't be afraid to think outside the box. Now, I know what you're thinking: what's the magic solution that's going to fix this task once and for all? Well, I'm about to spill the beans. The key to success lies in a simple sequence of actions that'll unlock the next level. It's so easy, you'll wonder how you didn't think of it before. Want to know the best part? It's ridiculously simple. All you have to do is, wait for it, follow the footprints. That's right, folks. Those seemingly insignificant footprints are the key to unlocking the next level. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you've got any tips or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more gaming insights and tutorials, be sure to check out my next video.